In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a beautiful pink eyeshadow look, all from Saint products. I'm using this eyeshadow primer by NYX. Eyeshadow primer is just used to prep the eyes for your eyeshadow. It assists with longer wear, and it's going to make your eyeshadow easier to blend, provide a smooth canvas to apply the eyeshadow, and it will help it stay in place. So I love this one by NYX. I've just found it's a really great product. I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow brush from Saint. So this is a double-ended brush, so you're going to be able to get a lot of different usage out of it. I will be using this matte pink eyeshadow called Mama, and I have a hooded eyelet, so the top of my eyelid rests on the bottom. So using the fluffy end of this eyeshadow brush and going back and forth in a windshield wiper motion with my eyes open really helps get that first eyeshadow shade up there. So I'm creating a false crease and also applying that color high enough so that when my eye is open, you can actually see the color that's on there. I'm going to flip ends of that eyeshadow brush to the smaller side and go in this hot pink color called Mi'iha. So Mi'iha is a hot pink shade we have that's one of our matte eyeshadows, and I like to focus that deeper color on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm flicking the smaller end of this brush upwards to prevent fallout from my powder eyeshadow. And I'm also focusing that darker intense color on the outer corner as well as the bottom outer part of my eye, just to pull the whole look together. So I have found when you're going to apply a darker shade like Mi'iha, you want to make sure that it's something that you're very light-handed with. You can always add more to it. This is one of our stunning shades of eyeshadow. When you purchase this, all the proceeds of this eyeshadow, along with the other shade called Stay Golden, go towards our non-profit organization we have at Saint for Fostering to Adopt. You can blend your eyeshadow as you go or all at the end. Now I'm going to use my finger and go in this fun pink shimmer called Tawanda. I love Tawanda because it has a little bit of gold flecks in it, and I love to use my finger to press my shimmer on the center of my eyelid because it's really going to help that color just stand out. So as you see, I'm starting off by packing that shimmer on the center of my eyelid and then lightly applying it upward just a little bit so the color goes up. And I'm only focusing more so on the middle of my eyelid and towards the outer corner. Then I'm going to go in this light pink shimmer called Soulmate. I'm going to switch brushes to this double-ended brush we have called the Smudge Brush. So I love the Smudge Brush for applying a shade in the inner corner of your eyes because it's just a really beautiful brush that helps blend the rest of your eye makeup all together. As I said, you can blend your eyeshadow shades as you go or all at the end. I'm creating an ombre effect from light in the inner corners to dark on the outer corners. Then I'm going to throw a little bit of that Tawanda on the lower lash line just to complete that eyeshadow look. If you want to clean your eyeshadow brush in between shades, simply use our brush cleaning tile that goes right in your compact. Now I used the same brush that had that hot pink shade. I've cleaned it off and I'm going in this white shimmer we have called Unicorn and placing Unicorn right in the very inner corner of my eyes just to give it a nice pop of brightness. And as you see, there's no evidence of hot pink on the brush because the cleaning tile did a beautiful job cleaning my brush off. If you want to add one of our many glitter eyeshadows, it's a fun little step to do. This is La La Land. I'm just very, very lightly applying a little bit of it on my lid. I also love sometimes to apply on the very inner corner. We have our line brush that is a great double-ended brush for filling your brows, and the spoolie end for applying our brow wax to keep your brow hair in place. I'm going to use that line brush also to apply my eyeliner Black Friday. I focus Black Friday eyeliner on the bottom lash line and on the outer corner. I don't go all around my eye, just a little bit on the outer, a little bit on the inner, just to give my eyes a nice, gentle lining. Then I'm going to use a liquid liner for the top lash line. This one's by L'Oreal. I like a good liquid eyeliner because, well, I like my eyeliner to be a little bit more on the dramatic side. So I'm going to let that dry in just a minute. And then I'm going to be applying my mascara. So I'm going to be using false lashes today. So I like to put a coat of mascara on the bottom lash line as well as the top lash line. I have found when you apply mascara in the top lash line, if you're wearing false lashes, it just helps your strip of eyelashes to go on and stay on much better. So after throwing some eyelashes on from Eylure, the brand, I'm set to go. My eye makeup all came from my one compact from Saint customizable eyeshadows that you pick and choose, ranging from natural shades, shimmers, glitters, and cream, and they're high end. They're gonna last all day, customizable and affordable. I used the eyeshadow brush, and then I used the line brush for my brows and eyeliner, and then I finished it off with a smudge brush for blending. If you'd like to get started with your customized eyeshadow palette, reach out to me and I'll help you with that. The colors were Tawanda, Mi Hija, Soulmate, and Unicorn, and the glitter was La La Land.